In this bucket I have a copperhead that I caught crossing my driveway the other night. And I'm going to attempt to take the copperhead out of the bucket and get him in one of these tubes. Not sure which size, probably it's one of the three I hope. And we're going to weigh him and measure him and then release him back into the woods. Okay, he's just sitting there now because he's been in a cool place overnight. And as you can see, his markings are very suited for camouflage in the forest where there's dry leaves, and he can blend in very well just laying out on the forest floor in the dry leaves. And that works very well for him in order to catch his prey, small mammals and the like. So now, I mean, as you can see, he's also not leaping out of the bucket trying to attack. He's just sitting in the defensive posture with his head up in case something gets too close. Now I'm going to try to get him in a tube. It can be tricky to get him to go into a tube, but maybe he'll go. He's going slowly. Just have to tickle him a little bit. Tickle him and he'll climb up the tube, hopefully far enough to where I can then pick him up. Go a little more, just a little more. That's good, that's good. Go, go, go. About as far as I want to take him. Now he's in the tube. Kind of hard to see him in there. But if you look at his head closely, you can see got a nice pretty pink tongue and heat sensing pits right in front of his eyes because he is a pit viper, and he uses those pits to sense the heat from his prey, chipmunks, mice, voles, things like that. He's not going to eat very large animals like rabbits and such. Copperheads are much more nocturnal than a snake like, say, a water snake or a garter snake. And you can tell by their cat-like pupils that they are nocturnal. That's one trademark of nocturnal animals, is having pupils with elliptical pupils like a cat. Right in front of his eyes you can see the pits that he uses to sense the heat from his prey. Look how pretty his belly is. This is a very dark copperhead. One of the darkest I've ever found. Very pretty snake. And yes, they are venomous. He has hinged fangs in the roof of his mouth that he uses to envenomate his prey. And if you were bitten by a copperhead, it would be very painful. But it would not be life-threatening for most people. You would need some painkillers, maybe some antibiotics, but usually not antivenom. As with a rattlesnake, you would need antivenom pretty much for sure. It's a hemotoxic venom, so that means it attacks the blood vessels and the blood and tissue. So let's weigh this guy. I'm sure he's getting tired of being in a tube. This should be interesting. I'm going to just weigh the snake and... No, he's going to come out. Okay, he's coming out. Well, not wanting to come out. That's okay. I'll weigh the snake, the tube, and the pillowcase. Now we got to get him out and release him. Okay. Let's go let him go. It looks really cool here on the driveway. I need to get a still shot of him anyway. Here he goes. Okay. And he's on his way home. This is where he was found, crossing the driveway. That is one beautiful snake. And he's not acting aggressive. I'll just help him out and get him to crawl back over into the... Go on. Let's go. We'll go. Go on. Beautiful creature. And I'm sure he knows exactly where he is. His amazing little reptilian tongue telling him all the scents and smells of home. And you can see why wading through English ivy like this might be a bad idea in snake country. So hopefully, next time you see a copperhead, you'll have a little more respect for them. They really are a beautiful animal and not something you should just kill because it's a snake. That's that. Okay, so apparently there's a snake up here somewhere, up on this trail, and we're going to go see if we can find it.
Exactly. You see him?
Where is he?
He's got the gold.
Oh yeah, I see.
Gold. You see him?
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, very good.
It's right in here. It's pretty dark, at least for what I'm picturing down here. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
Okay, who's going for him?
Okay, some pictures.
I didn't even bring my scale or my bag to weigh him.
Is that where you have that? Are y'all catching these? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that many around here?
Yeah, there's lots.
You're catching them?
We're not going to keep them.
We're not going to keep them.
We're just going to get some pictures.
They do this for a living.
I was wondering why you were getting so close.
Not an old
Like 9 or
snake.
10. I haven't seen one with a black head back there.
You've got 1,
That's all stinging nettle,
2,
isn't it?
3, 4, 5.
You want me to move some of those plants down?
Beautiful. There she is.
Good view right now. Yeah.
Oh, she's going fast, going fast, going fast.
Yeah.
Steve's going for her now.
Oh, and that's a pretty snake. Wow.
Get some pictures first.
Oh, sweet. It's really clear from here.
Yeah.
What's this thing? A little better. You have a good view down there?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Well, let me know if he starts moving.
Okay.
It is a beautiful snake.
Pretty one.
Look at that, a rattlesnake and the stinging nettles, you know. That's kind of an interesting combination, isn't it?
Hey, what you looking at, buddy?
Got him good.
He looks a little bigger from... Shit, my camera was off.
Boy, that's a beautiful snake.
It really is.
Gorgeous snake. Golly.
They're so aggressive, he just wants to attack me.
Yeah, look at him. He's trying to kill us all. Look at him.
Stay there.
Oh, there we go.
Some guy comes flying down the mountain bike at 30 miles an hour.
That would be a bad situation. What a
Let me see that guy.
absolutely beautiful snake. Oh, there we go. Yeah, as soon as you put down the hook.
Which way was he headed?
That way.
He was headed that way.
Towards the rock, pretty much.
Come on. Pretty belly.
Mm-hmm. It's fired up, isn't it?
Yeah.
As you can see, this snake is
Oh, he's vicious.
surrounded by how many people? 4? And is he trying to attack any of us? No, he's trying to escape. This is what rattlesnakes do usually when encountering humans, is they try to escape. How many times have you grabbed the snake and brought it back here and it still wants to escape? It's never trying to get aggressive, never trying to attack us.
Make for a better picture if you Yep. He was pretty much right here going that way, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Like 30% of the time in the day, it's just a conservative.
Going up under the rock.
How much venom they give you, whether or not they use both fangs. I mean, it's expensive for them to make that stuff.
Exactly,
so
that's what I was saying. It's a commodity. They want to.
they just want it to be left alone.
Exactly.
I mean, you saw that guy. He was just trying to. That thing didn't even try to strike.
We boys have fun.
Appreciate it.
Not really much of a hiding spot under there, but she's going to take as much advantage of it as she can. After being tormented by the humans, hopefully she will stay away from the trail from now on. That is a short little tail.
Aren't you agreeable, little skink?
Very agreeable little skink. It's amazing what turns on herpers.
That skink is just like not at all concerned anymore. Real cool. I was trying to bask. Thanks.
Yeah, that's exactly where I wanted to be. Oh.
A rambling man is a rambling man by any other name. By any other name.